Let me ask you something. How many videos have you already watched about how to start dropshipping? Probably a lot, right? And yet, you're still here, which tells me those videos gave you information, but not actually a clear picture of how to actually master this. So that's what we're doing today. The entire process with no fluff. There's going to be product research, store setup, marketing, automation, and scaling. And the tool we're using throughout this entire process is going to be AutoDS, the platform that I use to run and automate my own dropshipping stores. New here? Well, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we post dropshipping content every single week. Let's get into it. All right, quick 30-second version for anyone that's brand new. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without ever holding any inventory. A customer orders from your store, you forward that order to your supplier through AutoDS in this case, and the supplier ships directly to your customer. You never touch the product at all. You keep the margin that's in between. It's got a very low startup cost. There's no warehouse, so there's no headaches. There's no bulk orders, and the model is simple. The challenge, and this is what most videos actually skip, isn't the logistics. It's picking the right products and building a store that converts and running marketing that's actually profitable. And that's where 90% of people fail. So let's fix that. All right, product research is where most beginners get it wrong. They find something that they personally like. They list it, they run ads, and wonder why nobody's buying. So you need a mindset shift. You're not looking for products that you like. You're looking for products that the market is already buying. So 3 things that make a winning product. Number 1, the margin. At least 30% profit after the product cost, shipping fees, and ad spend. If the math doesn't work at 30%, move on. No exceptions. Number 2, it solves a problem or triggers an emotion. The best-selling products either fix something that's frustrating or make someone feel something. Vague and just cool-looking products, they don't really convert. Problem-solving products do. Number 3, trending. Up, not peaking. Personally, I check Google Trends, search my product keyword, and look at the last 12 months. A consistent upward curve is really what I'm looking for. But a spike that's already starting to drop, I miss the trend, I move on. Otherwise, I lose money. Now, inside AutoDS, there is a product marketplace that's pulling from verified suppliers. You get real order volume, real margins, and real data. Typically, what I do is I'll filter by category, profit margin, and the shipping time. So there's no guessing. Now, here's the math that I run on every product. 1, the supplier cost. Let's say the supplier costs $13. I list it at $45, which gives me about a $32 margin. Now, if I can acquire a customer for under $20 in ads, I walk away with about $12 in profit per order. So you run this calculation before you list anything. Now let's talk about niches. There's 3 niches that I'm watching closely in 2026 going into 27. 1 is functional pet accessories, travel gear, feeding products, grooming tools, and smart home devices under $50. These are impulse buys that genuinely make life easier. And another is targeted fitness accessories, posture correctors, mobility tools, recovery gear. They have strong demand, they have repeat buyers, and room for new players. So pick your niche, find 3 to 5 products that pass the margin and the trend check. And now we build a store. So the first decision, where most people get wrong, is general versus niche store. General tries to sell everything to everyone. Niched focuses on one category and speaks to one buyer. And honestly, niche wins almost every single time. You get cheaper ads, higher trust, and better conversion rate. Now, as far as the platform, Shopify. It integrates directly with AutoDS with the basic $29.99 plan that Shopify offers. Now, for your store, there's going to be 5 pages that every store needs before you send anyone there. It's going to be the homepage. You have to have a clean headline, top products, and trust signals. Then the product pages, strong images, benefit-focused description, an obvious buy button, and reviews. And then the about page, even a short, genuine paragraph that builds trust, and FAQ, or frequently asked questions, to handle the objections before any checkout, the shipping times, the returns, and any damage policies, and clear shipping and returns policy. That last one alone builds more trust than almost anything else on your site. Now, connecting products through AutoDS is really just one click. You get images, descriptions, all of the variations, everything imports automatically. Now, what used to take 2 hours literally takes 30 seconds now. And the part that most beginners start to sleep on is automated order fulfillment. Customer buys and AutoDS places the order with your supplier automatically. The customer gets a tracking number and you don't touch absolutely anything. And that's what makes this so scalable. You can't manually process 100 orders a day. You can automate 100 orders a day in the blink of an eye. Now let's talk about a pricing formula to start. Supplier cost multiplied by 2.5 to 3x. Supplier costs $20, you list it at 30 to 36. So then you have room for ads, fees, and profit. And you refine it as you get real data. But that's your safe starting point. So now your store is live. Now, how do you get customers? This is where most people waste the most money. Marketing isn't complicated, but it does require discipline. If you have no budget, TikTok organic. That's where you need to start. Short videos, product demos, before and after transformations. You don't really need a following to start. What you need is to hook the viewers in the first 2 seconds with a visually interesting product. Seriously, one video can send thousands of people to your store for completely free. Now, when you start getting a bit of money, then you're ready for paid ads. And you can start with Meta. $10 to $20 a day, 3 different creatives or variations for your videos, the same product with different hooks. You run all 3 for 3 full days before you touch anything. The algorithm needs time to learn. Don't kill an ad an hour after it goes live because you don't think it's working. Give it time. Also, big tip, best performing ads in 2026 don't look like ads. You need UGC style, a real person, phone, camera, and a real environment. The more it looks like something a friend sent you, the better it's gonna perform. Raw beats produced every single time right now. Now, after 3 days, here's how I decide. If there are absolutely no add to carts, I kill the ad and I start with a new creative. Add to carts, but no purchases, the ad works, but the product page has something broken, so go fix it. Also, another big tip, don't skip ad retargeting. Anyone who visited and didn't buy is warm traffic. A retargeting ad showing them the exact product that they looked at converts 3 to 5 times better than cold traffic. This really just takes 20 minutes to set up inside Meta Ads Manager. One of the highest ROI moves in this business, and most beginners never do it because they don't know about it. Now, there is a difference between starting a dropshipping store and running a dropshipping business. And here's how you bridge it. Automated pricing rules inside AutoDS watch your supplier's cost in real time and adjust to retail prices to protect your margins. If a supplier raises their prices, your store price adjusts automatically. You never accidentally sell at a loss. Speaking of accidentally selling at a loss, stock monitoring. AutoDS watches also your supplier's inventory continuously. If a product goes out of stock, it automatically unpublishes from your store. Or you can set it to show as quantity 0. Your customers never see an unavailable listing or they can't buy it. You never have to issue a refund for a product or order that you can't fulfill. Now, when should we expand? Well, once the product is consistently profitable, instead of going all in and adding an extra $20 immediately, add 1 or 2 at a time. So that way you can test with the same discipline. Let winners essentially fund the next tests. And when revenue is stable, then open a second niche store or expand to new platforms. And the mindset that separates real businesses from people who simply just make a little bit of money and quit is reinvesting. Take 30% of every dollar of profit and put it back into ads every single month. The store doing 50 and 100,000 a month didn't get there by cashing out early. They compounded. And that's the game. Now I'm going to give you 5 things. Execute these consistently and you're already ahead of most people that are doing this. 1, your product research. Remember, data, not your gut feeling. 30% margins, validated trend, and move fast. 2, your store setup. Niche store, 5 essential pages, AutoDS connected, fulfillment automated from day 1. 3, your marketing. TikTok organic with no budget. Meta ads at 10 to 20 a day with 3 creatives if you're going paid. Next is 4, automation. Remember your pricing rules, your stock monitoring, and your retargeting. Set it up once and let it run. 5, scale smart. Reinvest 30%, expand slowly, and let the data lead. Now, if you do want to check out AutoDS to get started with everything that I just talked about in this video, make sure you check out the link down in the description below, where you can start testing out automation on your store and even build a full-on dropshipping store in just a few minutes. And if you want a true in-depth tutorial that skips absolutely nothing from A to Z, then check out this video right here.